Greetings everyone, friends. In this video, I'm going to be working through the content of the website. I'm going to do this based on the research I've done previously. There will be a playlist prompt at the top where you can view everything in order if you haven't seen it before. Enjoy watching it, guys. First, I'm going to quickly sketch out the main items that will be in the header, and then I'll go on to outline the sub-items which blocks will be presented on the pages. Then all this will be edited and improved. I have now written 15 items including homepage about the garden, news, blog, events, services, garden map, contacts, donations, staff, Q&A, photo gallery, science, vacancies, partners. In the section Science, sub-items will be departments of natural flora, dendrology, ornamental production, scientific herbarium, landscape architecture, laboratory, and other. In the section Photo Gallery, sub-items are photos of plants, title and detailed description of photos. In the section Employees, the full name of each employee, staff positions, contacts for communication and photos. Employment, it has subsections, job openings with job descriptions, salaries and expectations of the candidate. On the main will be a welcome, the opportunity to read news, see future events, and buy tickets to these events. The contact page will have social media, phone numbers, and mail. Among the services will be the ability to book a wedding photo shoot, plant a wedding tree, take photos at the Botanical Garden, take tours, and buy seeds. On the donations page, it will be possible to make donations and find out what has already been realized for donations. There will be an opportunity to read articles on the blog as well as search for information. Now we will edit the content structure and everything will be ready. And then we can move on to user flow design. User flow design will be in the next video. Don't miss it, friends. I remembered about one more mandatory item: authorization on the site. After authorization, a personal account will be available, where the user will be able to change information about himself, as well as see his purchase tickets and so on. Here is the fully prepared content that we got in the end. Thanks for watching, friends. Put likes and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the next videos.